Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS layout. And right now we'll be discussing about the clear and the clearfix. How to use the clear property in HTML CSS. The clear property is used along with the float property. When we use the float property and we want the next element appear below, not on the right or left, we will have to use the clear property. And also again, the clear property specifies what should happen with the element that is next to a floating element. And also, the clear property can have one of the following values. It can have none, left, right, both, or inherit. So when it have none, definitely we are saying that the element is not pushed below the left or right floated elements. This is by default. When we give it value of left, when we give the clear property, we give it value of left, the element is pushed below the left floated elements. And when we give it right, the element is pushed below the right floated elements. And when we give it value of both, the element is pushed below the both left and right floated elements. And when we give it inherit, the element inherits the clear value from its parent. And also I want you to note one thing right here. When clearing floats, you should match the clear to the float. You should match the clear to the float. If an element is floated to the left, then you should clear to the left. Your floated element will continue to float, but cleared element will appear below it on the web page. Once again, your floated element will continue to float, but the cleared element will appear below it on the web page. So I want you to note that also. So because it's very important when you note all these things. So in our next tutorial, we are going to be exploring this much better, because it's very good when I explore it in another topic, because I don't want this tutorial to get too rough. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.